Click cell A15, then click in the formula bar. Notice that the mode indicator on the status bar now reads Edit, indicating you're in the edit mode. You're in the edit mode anytime you're entering or changing the contents of a cell. Type totals, then click Enter button on the formula bar. Clicking the Enter button accepts the entry. The new text is left aligned in the cell. Labels are left aligned by default and values are left aligned by default. Excel recognizes an entry as a value if it is a number or it begins with one of the symbols such as plus, minus, equal, etc. When a cell contains both text and numbers, Excel recognizes it as a label. Click cell B15. You want the cell to total the hours worked by all the trip advisors. You might think you need to create a formula that looks like this: B5 plus B6 plus B7, etc. until B14. However, there is an easier way to achieve this. Click the AutoSum button in the editing group of the Home tab on the ribbon. The sum function is inserted in the cell and the suggested range appears in the parentheses. A function is a built-in formula. It includes arguments, the information necessary to calculate an answer, as well as cell references and other unique information. Clicking the AutoSum button sums the adjacent range, that is the cells next to the active cell, above or to the left, although you can adjust the range if necessary by selecting a different range before accepting the cell entry. Using the sum function is quicker than entering a formula, and using the range B5 to B14 is more efficient than entering individual cell references. Click Enter on the formula bar. Excel calculates the total contained in cell B5 to B14 and displays the result 378. The cell actually contains the formula and the result is displayed. Now click cell C13 and type 6. Then press Enter. The number 6 replaces the cell contents, the cell pointer moves to cell C14, and the value in the cell F13 changes. Click cell C18 and type average gross pay. Then press Enter. The new label is entered in cell C18. The content appears to spill into the empty cells to the right. Click cell B15 Position the pointer on the lower right corner of the cell until the little cross is changed, and then drag the cross to cell G15, then release the mouse button. Dragging the fill handle across the range of cell copies the content of the first cell into the other cells. Each cell is now filled with a function that sums the range of cells above. Save your work.